My name is Josh Doyle. I'm the Granary captain here at Mohonk Mountain House. The Granary is our outdoor American-style barbecue restaurant. Each day we serve between 100 and 250 guests for lunch and dinner. It's my job to manage the restaurant and ensure our guests have a wonderful experience. The Granary sits lakeside, overlooking the iconic Skytop Tower. Mohonk has been by far the best job that I've ever had. I've been working here for about 5 years now and been promoted more than a half dozen times. My favorite thing about my team and my staff is that they're from all over the world and they have all different backgrounds. So each person has their own unique perspective on life and work ethic. It's important to me that I'm not just a boss, but also a leader. I try to lead by example and help each staff member grow on their strengths and weaknesses. We have an amazing international work visa program and internship. The international students have become some of my best friends, and in the off-season I plan to travel to Europe and take advantage of that opportunity. We always try to treat each guest as an individual. If they're celebrating an anniversary or birthday, we try to do something special for them, whether it's make a cake with an inscription on it, or just go over and tell them that we appreciate them celebrating an event with us. I think Mohonk would be the perfect place to start a career if you're ambitious and have an appreciation for the great outdoors. If I could describe Mohonk in one word, it would be magical. It's just such a beautiful place to come to work every day. So there's a million benefits to working here at Mohonk. Number one being the access to the property. Whether you want to take a boat out in the afternoon between shifts or go hiking on your day off or bring your family or friends up here. Apply today and come join my team.